So we are proud to say that this time the flag hoisting will be done by 5 mothers who actually represent the women power and also who are senior citizens in this community. Can we have a big round of applause, please?